Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new today video. It's going to be very special because I will tell you in this video what is next price target of Bitcoin. Definitely a lot of holders are understanding BTC is going to crash, but right now you can see here it was starting pumping, and this is also not a confirm and huge pump. Okay, so definitely I will tell you in this video the confirmed target. Okay, guys, if you are a future trader and you want future trading signal, then join my Telegram group. Link is in the description with 100% accuracy rate. If you lose 1 cent, leave the group and don't follow me. Okay, link is in the description. You can see here Bitcoin is definitely consolidating here from very long time, but right now also not a big pump. It was start consolidation, so that's mean the momentum which we will expect is little bit hard. My business today will break. Okay, but right now you can see here the market is completely on downtrend. Definitely people are understanding that this will be crash my business very badly, but right now it is a very strong support level, so that's why it was a little bit return, but I think it was right now also possible to goes down. Okay, so I will tell you my brother what is next price target my brother in my Telegram group. But yes, right now if you take a short position, this is safe, just in only 70-80%, but if you are in long position, this is 70-80% risky. Okay, so be safe from risk, and I hope you will be not lost. Okay, so see you next time guys.